Welcome to the 3D Printing Applications course. In this course, you will learn how 3D printing changes the dominant paradigm of manufacturing with an extensive overview of the industry and a look at concrete examples in some cutting-edge areas such as medicine, space, food, and bioprinting. You will also get an in-depth look at the potential of 3D printing in development with an overview of projects in India, Tanzania, Argentina, and the US. In Module 1, we get some views on the industry from research done by academics, consulting firms, and from experts on intellectual property, and even from venture capitalists. In Module 2 of this course, we will highlight the potential of 3D printing to revolutionize the process of designing, making, distributing, and selling products, and will give you an opportunity to meet with the players creating the ecosystem to make this possible. In Module 3, we consider the role of 3D printing in revolutionizing education and the role it can play in development in underserved communities in both developing and developed countries. Finally, in Module 4, you will be introduced to the design thinking framework, which will help you apply the skills you learn in the subsequent courses in software and hardware. You will see design thinking in action, which will motivate you for the need for building skills in 3D modeling software and the hardware in course 3 and 4 in this specialization. The assessments in this course will focus on having you research trends in 3D printing in the industry of your interest in countries or regions local to you and explore possible ways to leverage 3D printing to solve problems or just create new things for yourself. Join me in this journey to help convert your ideas into objects.